Yo, guys, yo, family, yo, traders, yo, ruffians. Happy New Month to everyone across the world. It's the Rough Trader here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we are about to look at the same pairs we've always been looking at: GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and XAUUSD for this new week's market. So okay. I'll talk about gold when we're about to analyze gold because I remember telling us gold was going to sell to a support area of 1790, and gold already was sold to that level and made a bounce off from that level. So let's see what's going to happen to gold. But let's start with GBP USD. Okay, gold. This is GBP USD on a daily time frame. And I said this month of June on my Telegram channel, this month of June, we're paying attention to GBPJPY. We'll also pay attention to GBPUSD and XAUUSD, but we'll pay more attention to GBPJPY. Okay, so let's see what we have on GBPUSD. Okay, looking at the market structure, you see price has been selling, going down, selling, has been selling in all way. And you know something about market. When a price has been going towards a particular direction for a particular period of time, we tend to see a reversal. And when we see a reverse, when the reversal is about to happen, most times the reversal happens with a pattern, either a double bottom or a double top. Like now, look at GBPUSD has been selling for a particular period of time, it has been going down. So with this pattern happen, with this reversal pattern happen on this support area, we have our first bottom, this is our neckline, and this is our second bottom for a push to the upside. So we'll react to what we see. So let's complement our trend with a trend line. Okay. Okay. So we can just mark out this support area here. And I can see something like a psychological key level sitting on the support area. We have psychological key level of 1.2000, so we can just mark that out. Good. So we have it exactly on the support area. So we can just mark it out with a rectangle too. Okay. Okay, yeah. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We can still mark some trend inside this trending market. Okay, we had a bounce off from this zone last week. So is a bullish reversal about to happen on GBPUSD? And even looking at it, why I have more buyers on GBPUSD going up, we have the first touch on this area here. We have the first touch here on the trend line. We have the second touch on the trend line. This is the third touch, a bounce off. It came back for a correction. Will this be the impulse for a break above? So we react to what we see. So let's see if we can mark another stuff. Okay. Okay. Price has been okay. You can also mark out this point here. Good. Okay, we have a bearish channel inside the 1-hour time frame. Inside the trend we already marked, we have a bearish channel. Okay, let me just switch this point. There's a buy pressure here. So I have to just tally it with this zone. Let me complement with a rectangle. Okay, so this is what we're expecting on GBPUSD. So I actually expect a break above, possible retest, and a continuation upward on GBPUSD, or we don't know, price might just come back here for another correction before it starts pushing upward. So we actually react to what we see, and price might still break below. So we are not the market maker. We don't make the market. We only react to what we see. We are retailers. We benefit and capitalize from what we see on the market. So this is what I'm looking at on GBPUSD. next week's market. So let's go to GBPJPY. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, GBPJPY ended with a depletion candlestick last week. Can you see this depletion? Look at this week. So we don't know if it is going to fill up the week or it's going to continue with a bounce of upward. So, okay, let's mark the highest point. Okay. And GBPUSD. On GBPJPY. Okay, let's mark another point. There's a buy pressure here. So let's mark this out. Okay, let's pay attention to what's happening on the intermediate level. Okay, there's a sell pressure here and a buy pressure. That looks like a very nice zone. So let's mark that zone out. Okay. And if you look at the structure of this market, price broke above this high, came back for a retest and a continuation upward. Price came back again. Will price continue going upward or is going to come down for a break? You understand? Either price break below or breaks above and continue buying upward. So we react to what we see. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, this market is trending upward. It's a bullish market. So let's draw our trend line up. Our trend line. Okay. Oh, we already have thought touch on our trend line itself. Come on, let me just mark this out. We already have a thought touch on our trend line. This is the first touch, second touch, and third touch. And not just the third touch on the trend line, it's on the support area. Can you see how beautiful the confluence is on the support area and also on the psychological key level? On the psychological key level, on the support area and the psychological key level of 161.500 and 16200. Oh, that's a very beautiful one. So there's high probability price continue pushing upward on GBPJPY. And we also have a pattern. I can see a pattern here. We call it the megaphone pattern. Can you see? Can you see the way the pattern is? Okay, let me try and bring out a megaphone. Okay, this is a megaphone. Can you see? It looks like a megaphone pattern. Can you see? Can you see the pattern looks like a megaphone pattern? Wow, so this is a beautiful setup here on GBPJPY. We have the first touch, second touch, and you know the most important touch on the trend line is what? Third touch. So price already made the third touch. So the only thing we'll be looking for is price to possibly retrace a little before pushing upward. We'll try and filter an entry on the 15 minutes or the 1 hour time frame, depending on what we see in the market. So we have a very nice setup on GBPJPY. So let's go to gold, XAUUSD. Okay, let's mark out something on GBPJPY. Okay, look at this is where price got to. So we might expect price to it's looking like an inverse head and shoulder. So we might expect price to push upward a little, come down here before start taking a buy upward. So that's what we are expecting on GBPJPY. Let me just mark out that point. That little buy pressure, small buy pressure, and that zone to see, okay, if price could possibly come down there for a retracement before it start pushing upward. So let's go to gold, XAUUSD. As we all know, gold has been pushing down for some time now, and remember I told us to mark that point. We should pay attention to the 1719 point where price could possibly bounce off on, and price did that last week. That's a very big one for us. So let's see if we can capitalize on gold in next week's market. And don't forget, they postponed NFP to this week, so there'll be NFP this week. So let's be careful and let's pay attention to other fundamental release dropping this week. Okay, good. So let's continue with the analysis on XAUUSD. Okay. We already have like 3 bounces from here. We have the first bounce here, the second bounce here, and this is the third bounce here. With this third bounce push us up. Okay, we'll just react to what we see. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Oh, okay. Okay, this is gold. Let's go to the 1 hour to see if we can mark an inner trend. Definitely, we should be able to mark an inner trend on gold. Okay, I can see a point here. We can connect this point to this point. Yeah. Okay. We have ourselves a very nice setup here. Okay. So this is gold. Gold, this is a descending channel on gold. So we expect price to possibly come down for a little retracement before it starts pushing up. So let's just mark out. There's a pressure I think we can mark out here on gold. Okay, can you see the buy pressure around this area? So we can just mark it out on gold. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm coming. Let me mark this out. Okay. Okay. So this is gold. Oh, gold even bounced. Gold already bounced off from this place. So I think we can also mark another inner trend. Okay, I can see something like this. Okay. Okay, good. So this is another inner trend. So we react to what we see. We don't know if gold is going to come back here and reverse downward before it starts pushing upward. We react to what we see, or a possible break above, retest, and a continuation upward. Or we might see price come down here again. You know, we only react to the market, to what we see. We can't predict the market. So that's what I'm looking at, watching out for on gold in next week's market. Can you see it already made the bounce up from this support area? So now it already broke and entered another area. So there's high probability gold just retraces a little and continue pushing upward. So that's what I'm looking out for on gold, GBPJPY, and GBPUSD. Thank you, family. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to smash on the like and subscribe button. Let's grow this channel, family. Let's grow this channel. Peace out.